Hello, Ram Vijay. Good evening.
Evening, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you. How are you?
I'm also good. So, first of all, Ram, very congratulations for you that you have cleared your NOS exam. And it's really a very proud moment for all of us in the PracBee team. And you did so well for it.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ram, I just want to know a few things from you regarding the exam and all. How you have proceeded with the your preparing sessions and all. Okay. So,
Yes.
can you please tell us what inspired you to take the NOS exam?
I've been taking the NSO exam since the past 3, 4 years, and then I've
Okay.
been scoring pretty well. So I thought that this year also might be, I might have a chance to get a medal or get into the second level. So I took it this year too.
So you mean that you have interest in this
Yes.
3, 4 years ago? Okay. So regular in each year you are going, you have given the exam and you are passing it out, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's a great experience with it. Very good, Ram. So how did you prepare for the NOS exam? Could you walk us through your study routine?
Ma'am, I would do one chapter of the Olympiad book that
Okay.
SOF themselves have given, and then I would solve a chapter in each of the every day I would solve one chapter in the book, and then it will consist of 20 questions, four achievers section, and then the rest were the topic based. And
Okay.
then I would
That,
just study the school portions, revise it on a daily basis, and then
mm,
since the test was before the portions could get over,
yeah.
that's where PracBee helped me because they would finish the portions before the school did. So it helped me for the test and the school.
That's nice, and we always try to do that first. That we need to focus to complete the syllabus fast, so that we can give you a complete revision test and all. And this gives a great result, as we know that you have done it well in the NOS exam, right? What subject or topic did you focus the most during your preparations?
I focused the most on biology and chemistry, but then I realized that I should have focused on physics because
Hmm.
bio and chem went really well, but physics didn't go that well compared to the other two.
Yeah, so more practice for the physics, right?
Yes,
So, did you face any challenges during your preparation? If yes, how PracBee helped you to overcome?
ma'am, I faced a bit of a challenge in chemistry and physics. So my physics sir, Ankush sir, would revise the chapters over and over again. So the work energy chapter was a bit confusing. And
Yeah.
in chemistry, the like there were way too many formulas to remember. So ma'am would give me frequent revision tests, which would help me.
So what resources, I mean, PracBee teaching notes, tests, or homework questions did you find the most helpful?
Could you repeat that? I couldn't hear you.
Yeah, I was asking that what resource, I mean, the PracBee teaching notes, test, or homework questions did you find the most helpful for you?
Ma'am, the in-class revisions and the test series was pretty helpful for the exam.
So you find that question which was there in the test and all was really good and it helped you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So how did you manage your time between school, work, and the preparations for the NOS exam?
I would, I mean, every day after coming back from school, I just made sure I solved one chapter from the book at least one chapter. And then if I had extra time, I would solve two because I know someday I'd not be able to solve the chapter. So that's all that one day and the next day I would study and not solve a chapter. So one day I'd study and then one day I'd solve a chapter. So it went alternate like that.
Okay, okay, fine. That's good. Good management, Ram Vijay. So I just want to know what role did your PracBee teachers, mentors play in your preparations?
My PracBee teachers were needed because if I hadn't had them, I probably wouldn't have gotten to the second level. But the The teachers helped me finish the portions before school did. That's what helped the most.
Yeah. Okay. So, what was the most difficult part for the NOS exam for you, according to you? Which was the most difficult one?
Sorry, ma'am, I couldn't hear that.
I was asking that what was the most difficult part for the NOS exam for you?
Ma'am, I didn't catch that. Sorry.
Some network issue, Ram Vijay, at your
Yes,
place?
ma'am.
Okay. I was asking what was most difficult part of the NOS exam for you? Means it was like
And the most
the
difficult,
writing part or the numerical part. Which
and the
part was the
most
most
difficult
difficult?
part would be yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the numericals in physics were a bit tough. So in the I mean that took up most of my time. In the maths Olympiad hosted by NSO-SOF, I didn't have enough time. I mean, it's not just me, but many people didn't have enough time. So the numericals is something I have to practice even more in physics.
Okay. So that what you need to work together for the NOS level 2, right?
Yes,
Right, Ram Vijay, yeah. So how did you feel when you first saw the exam paper? Did any particular section or question stand out? You felt that this is a very difficult
ma'am, the
one or this
paper
is
was
very
given. Hello, ma'am.
yeah, I'm hearing you, Ram Vijay.
Yes, ma'am. When the paper was given, I was pretty confident, and then I was just the logical reasonings usually where I score the most, and then achiever section is also the scoring point. So I did those two first, then I got to the questions. I solved all the chem bio questions first, then I left the physics for the end.
Mhm.
So I was solving that, and then sir came to collect, and then I had to do a bit quick because five questions were left over. That's the thing. So physics numericals were a bit tougher than expected.
Okay, okay, fine. So, I just want to know one more important part that how did you approach solving the problems during the exam? Did you have any strategy in your mind that I have to start with this thing? Any
Uh,
strategy you
the,
made up for
the
that?
the only strategy is that I would do the logical reasoning first because it's usually easy, and then that's just 10 marks. I'll get for sure, and then I do the achiever section because each of them consisted 2 marks each, and then they were the important ones. So I did them. Then I took up the rest of the paper.
Okay, okay. So, how did you deal with any nervousness or the stress during the exam? Also, how PracBee helped you in this?
Uh, no nervousness, no nervousness actually, but yeah, I was pretty. I mean, I had
Yeah.
to. My friends were when my friends would come to the school, and then they would tell that they have to finish the book if twice and then thrice. So I had to keep up with that. So I would come back home and try completing the book multiple times, and then so that's when I asked the PracBee teachers for a few questions, which might have helped me.
Okay, so this means that we have so much practice together that you were stress free.
Yes,
There was no nervousness before the exam. That's a very good point. Very good. Okay, so do you have a favorite subject or area of science that you are
it is
most
in science.
passionate?
It is chemistry, but overall it's maths.
Okay, okay. So for science, you're pretty confident for the chemistry part, right? How's your bio, Ram Vijay? How you felt? What were the questions of the bio that you were very confident that I'm very confident
And
in
the
this
bio
part and
questions that came in the test were pretty straightforward compared to physics and chemistry.
yeah.
But chemistry, since I've practiced the most, would be easy.
Okay, okay. So what has been the most rewarding part of the cracking the NOS exam for you?
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't get that.
I was asking what has been the most rewarding part for cracking the NOS exam for you? You felt that this is a great achievement I did after cracking the exam, or what was the reward given to you by your parents or by your teachers, or how you felt about it?
My parents were happy, so that eventually made me happy. And then I got a school rank, so I got a gold medal. And then
Oh,
I got into
that's
second
great.
level.
Okay.
My teachers,
So
I mean, in the school, they congratulated me. The PracBee teachers also were pretty happy. So
yeah, yeah, we
that,
are
that made
actually
me
proud of
happy.
you. Very, very proud moment for all the members of the PracBee. So my question was you, what skill or knowledge did you gain through PracBee during the preparation process that you didn't have before?
My PracBee gave me the confidence mainly to attend the test. And then they gave me the important questions, which some of them did come in the test. That
Yeah.
the questions in chemistry and physics, especially. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's good. That's good. So let's just talk about some future aspirations. So do you have any plan to participate to more science Olympiads or similar competition exam in the future?
Yes, until wherever SOF offers the NSO and IMO, I'd keep going for that.
That's good. So you are pretty confident now for that.
Yes,
Great. So how do you want PracBee to help you in that? Any suggestions from your side for us?
well, it's pretty much all good. But the I just wanted me to host more revision classes with that might have
Okay.
helped.
Definitely, Ram, we are going to work on that. We already are giving you a lot of revision classes. With the
Yes,
preparation of the Olympiads, we'll find more things that we can inculcate with your revision classes. Okay, that's sure. Thank you for your suggestion. Next, just want to know what are long-term aspirations? How does excelling in the Science Olympiad fit to them? I just want to know your future goals, your aim, what you are planning for it.
my I mean, you want to know what I want to become in the future?
Yeah, yeah. Because you are
I want
participating
to
in so
become.
much of Olympiads. So how you are proceeding it with your future aspirations?
These Olympiads might help me get into 11th of any college because these will add to the resume. And
Okay.
then I want to take up engineering path, and yeah, that's it.
Okay. So you want to go for an engineering part. Okay, that's good. So what advice would you give to your younger students who can they can build up the interest for preparing the competition exam like NOS or IMO?
They just have to keep practicing because practice is one thing that will eventually pay off if you do it. And then pay attention while you're studying the subjects, because if you read it once, it'll be stuck to your head, and then solving anything over and over again, it'll help in that.
Okay, thank you, Ram Vijay. Surely they'll find their way and they will do this as you suggested. So, Ram Vijay, how do you stay motivated when things get tough, either in studies or in exam?
Uh, I just my parents don't make me feel let down, so they'll keep telling me if you do this, it'll be good for you, and then they watch movies with me, and then in school, me and my friends would have a nice time. So coming back home, I won't be missing out on anything. So coming back home, studying, going to school, having fun. So yeah, it would make up for it.
Refreshments are must and they are needed in everyone's life, right?
Yes.
So, can you share a memorable movement or experience from your preparation that helped you to stay focused with rugby, with your parents?
Yes. And the moment I found out that my close friend is also attending this, I would call him and then ask him about what he has done. Then
Yeah.
we discuss about the answers, and then we found some online websites which would give us papers. We discuss those papers.
Okay.
So
Discussions are
finding him,
correct, correct.
finding out, yeah, finding out that he is also attending the test is something that made me happy.
Okay, that's good. So, how do you balance your studies and extracurricular activities and the personal life?
This is simple. Go to school, and then there you'd get some entertainment. So come back home, and then after coming back home, you'd eat your lunch, and then do something that you like to do or your hobby, and then you study for a while until night. Have before your dinner, you do something fun for yourself again for self development, and then you eat your dinner, watch TV, and then have a nice sleep.
Okay. So this is how you have managed everything. That's good. So what are your hobbies which you just take it as an extracurricular activity?
I sing. I mean, I go to Carnatic classical music, so I sing,
Okay,
and then I
that's good.
also
That's
play
good.
some video games for stress. I mean, it
Refreshing.
just relieves my stress.
That's good. Very good. So, what's your personal qualities or habits do you think that you can contribute the most to the success of this NOS exam?
The fact that I am interested to get a gold medal, the fact that I want something is one thing that helped me a lot. And then the previous experiences have also motivated me to get another gold medal, sort of a thing.
Yeah, that's right. Because you taste the success once, you need more, right? Okay. Okay,
Yes.
thank you so much, Ram Vijay, for sharing your experiences. At last, I just want to know that you want anything else, or any suggestion, any positivity that you think that we should increase in the PracBee, according to you.
Nothing, it's actually all good enough. It's really good.
Oh, it's very nice to hear that. Okay, so we are fine to go with the further exams, right?
Yes.
Okay, Ram Vijay. Thank you so much for sharing your experiences. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lastly, congratulations once again, and all the best for the second level of
Yes.
NOS exam. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ram Vijay. We are good to go. Some network issue happened in between, but it's okay. We'll just edit the video and
Yes.
okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing. You can leave the class and prepare for your
Yes.
exam. Okay. See
Thank
you.
you.